Good morning, all people. Welcome return to Linux Crypto. I hope you are doing terrific. I hope you had an incredible week so far. And welcome return to a brand new video on XRP. I suggest XRP's week has no longer been incredible. Monday, the recuperation changed into high quality and being capable of reclaim 2.5 even on the 4-hour time frame. Being capable of reclaim 2.7 became all top-notch. However, after that, sadly, we have just misplaced a variety of the energy that XRP had earlier than that. I imply XRP, I suggest. Most of you still know that. And I'm not turning absolutely bearish on XRP. I nevertheless think we will have first-rate times in 2025, however brief term. It's simply no longer looking exquisite. Like I said, we have damaged down beneath into this place between 2.5 and $2 once more. And at this point of time, appearance, the day gone by, we had some XRP ETF information. I adore it proper, and I virtually do assume that is one of the main catalysts in aggregate within well-known the Ripple SEC case of path that could sincerely offer a big amount of bullish momentum. And I don't need to tell you what can take place in phrases of price motion if we sincerely do get bullish information. I mean, I'm not certain if many of you have been there. Hopefully, I do suppose so. But in case you nonetheless don't forget the 13th of July, right here, it changed into outstanding. We 2x'd in a count number of like 2 hours. So XRP, I certainly do expect this to nonetheless get bullish at a few points. However, at this factor of time, luckily, I were in a position to tell, and that state of affairs continues to be true proper now. You'd almost say, I suggest, in case you test the rate action right here, leverage has been slowly being sucked out of the markets. Would not depend that an awful lot. But the price is losing down a great deal, a lot decreased than the leverage. So it nearly looks like some large spot positions are being offloaded proper now. It's no longer splendid, but it does not change anything. I imply, like I stated, at this moment there's no real leverage for XRP. The volume has stabilized. However, the volume has dropped down plenty, and the extent has additionally stabilized whilst the selling has been going on, right? So it's not top-notch in fashionable. So what that means is that the state of affairs for XRP right now still is slightly bearish, all proper. If we absolutely have dropped backtrack into the variety between 2.5 and properly, the lowest of the variety is basically this complete place among $2 and a pair of donde 15. What's maximum probable proper now, if on the short time period, there is also no indication of new momentum coming in. It is most probable so as to drop down lower. And like I said, I imply, if we surely do appearance, at all of the potential fundamental catalysts for 2025, I could say that to begin with, this degree technically among 2.15 and $2, extremely strong psychologically, technically very strong support degree. So I could expect that to hold both way. And if the market behaves at least a little bit, I additionally do suppose we're going to be capable of preserve this range right here among 2.5 and $2. And then finally, we are able to get a breakout from there as soon as the fundamentals solve. So those are my thoughts on XRP. However, like I stated, short term, nevertheless bearish in this. We do have some economic statistics coming out nowadays with the unemployment prices and the non-farm payrolls. So that's going to purpose a few volatility for Bitcoin as a minimum, and therefore it additionally trickles down into volatility for altcoins consisting of XRP. So the primary idea I even have is that as long as Bitcoin holds this help degree at 93 and 91,000, XRP goes so that you can keep that guide level at $2 and a couple of ton 2. For now, I count on Bitcoin to keep that help degree. So therefore, even though quick time period, all the warning signs are still bearish for XRP, I do assume we're going to be capable of locate aid there. I'm doubtlessly looking at buying XRP again around $2, probably a little bit higher due to The fact $2 might be the front run, therefore I might count on something like this, proper, so that we drop down. Maybe this move up is a bit premature. But in the end, I do additionally assume that, however, that simply depends at the development of the fundamentals proper. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you want to recognize for now. If you do have any questions, let me recognize down within the feedback. For now, thanks for watching. Have a superb weekend in advance.